What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SENS ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that from this bottom where we hit our accumulation point, we were up for about more than 48%, and we hit this resistance, the top of our B wave. It is the retracement right after this movement to the upside, and I have to say that we also catch this movement and we hit our first target with this point. And this touch of this resistance indicates that we might go lower, and to project some accumulation points, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave, as you can see, and we hit exactly the range of 0.65, 0.618. It is in the middle of $3.21 and 3.26. And it is a golden pocket, statistically the most probable level of trend reversal. And as you can see, we bounced perfectly from this level to the upside. And from this accumulation point, you potentially might be up for about 20% during the last several weeks. And it is a very, very good achievement. But for now, we have several upcoming catalysts. One of them will be on today's session. It will be an earnings report right after we will finish our today's trading session. And then we'll have another catalyst that might appear in a matter of a month and a half. And definitely it is an FDA approval of Senseonics 180 days CGM system. And let's continue with the fundamentals. Senseonics Holdings, a medical technology company, develops and commercializes continuous glucose monitoring systems for people with diabetes in the United States, Europe, the Middle East and Africa. And they have two main systems, one of them for the period of up to 90 days and second one for the period of up to 180 days. And both of these systems approved by European Union, but in the United States only 90 days CGM system approved by FDA. And we are awaiting the approval of 180 days CGM system, and that's why this will be the main catalyst, because we are in anticipation of this approval since the April of 2021. And it is extremely important to see this approval. So I don't want to dive deep into their financials. I just want to point on their total market cap. This company has $1.61 billion of its capitalization, and their revenue is not so good, and they have losses. But with the anticipation earnings report, this company has to improve these numbers. And let me show you what are the anticipations of their Q3 earnings report. And let me quote you these bullets. Senseonics is scheduled to announce Q3 earnings results on Tuesday, November the 9th, after market close. The consensus earnings per share estimate is negative $0.06, and the consensus revenue estimate is $3.57 million, and it is a 363.6% year-over-year growth. Over the last 3 months, earnings per share estimates have seen 0 upward revisions and 3 downward. Revenue estimates have seen 2 upward revisions and 0 downward. With a bullish rating, as a contributor recently wrote that Senseonics will not fail lack of intent. And I have to say that this anticipation of huge revenue growth is very good, but the main concern, according to this forecast, is their negative earnings per share estimates. But in my opinion, right after they will launch their sales of 180 days system in the United States, these numbers definitely will be improved. So, and let's continue with some FDA news. And right here we have the article on NASDAQ, and it was published on October 18th. And I have to say that I didn't cover this article yet. And Mr. Tim Goodnow, the CEO of this company, told right here, let me show it to you, we continue to expect the approval of the product by the end of 2021. though the constantly evolving situation with the pandemic and its impact on FDA workload make it hard to precisely estimate regulatory timelines. For now, we have the information that by the end of 2021, this means in a matter of 1 month, basically, we should see this FDA approval, and this will be very good catalyst for the company. Let me show you this article that was published on October 31st on Motley Fool, and it's titled "Two Growth Stocks That Could Deliver 1000% Returns." And one of these stock is Senseonics Holdings. And it is a very good upside potential for the company right after we will see the FDA approval of its 180-day system. So we have very good potential, but the risks are still rather high, because if we won't see this approval in a matter of 1 month, 1.5 months, we might see some lower price action with its stock. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we are nearing again this the top of the B wave and this previous swing high. This means potentially we might have one more leg to the upside, because we have right here only 2 waves inside this structure. And if we'll hit it, we might have another retracement, and this retracement will have a next opportunity to accumulate your position. But on a greater scale, we are pretty much safe, because we have 3 of our main accumulation points right here, and definitely we didn't hit this level to the tick. But when I made my previous video right here, when I suggest to enter the position along these levels, I've told you that from this below this line, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. But technically, we didn't hit this range. This means the average accumulation price is roughly $2.63, and to our current price, you might have up to 48% during the period of 6 months, and it is a very good achievement with this type of companies. So this company has a huge upside potential, and what should you do if you want to re-enter your position or open your new position with this company? As I already mentioned, we have to see their earnings report, and it will take place basically in a matter of hours. And then we'll have some price action. I don't think that we might hit some higher targets. The only reason why we can break this previous resistance is their earnings per share. If they will drastically beat earnings per share estimates, this will be a very good medium-term catalyst for the company, because they will prove their sustainability to have very good profits with this highly evolving market within the next several years, and this is basically a good foundation for its upcoming movement. But if this earnings per share won't beat the estimates, we might see some retracement, and this retracement on a daily time frame, when you can see the red candles, will be potential entry point for you as an investor in this company. And you have to do it right after you do your own research, and right after you decide whether or not you can handle the risks involved in the process of investment in this company. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Just wait for the retracement and then accumulate your position. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!